Hey guys, this is Cade with Prime Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about KickA Cleaner. This stuff is crazy. This is probably one of my favorite products that Prime Solutions has to offer. Not only is this a very versatile product to have in your arsenal, not only is this one of the strongest EPA-approved biodegradable APCs on the market, but it's also very safe. As you can see, it's okay to have on your hands. The only reason I do have gloves on is because look at this dirty, dirty seat we have here. Today we're going to be using this KickA Cleaner to remove all the stains on the seat. Before we can even get to this job, there's a few things you need. KickA Cleaner, drill brush is one of these sprayers. The last thing you're going to need is some type of shampooer. For seats like this is definitely needed. You're going to need a shampooer, a steam cleaner. You're going to need all these items in order to get this seat looking brand new. Okay, right now I have you looking at the seats, so you're only going to be able to see my hands right now. We're going to go ahead and take the KickA and basically spray the entire seat down. All right, we went ahead and sprayed the whole seat down. You can already see where it's starting to break up all this dirt. It's all starting to come up. All right, remember, whenever you have these drill brushes on here, most of the time you're going to use very fine bristled brushes. We are going to go with the yellow today because this stuff's pretty hard. It's pretty in there. So we're going to go ahead and just go over the top portion right here. I always get the top portion done first, then go around the edges because you always have that dirt running over the side. One thing I do want to say is the more product you put down, the more it will foam up and sling. This was a very dirty seat, so we were definitely not conservative with our product. All right, now it's time to extract the seats. Let's go ahead and do a couple passes, see how clean they already came in one pass. Then we'll go ahead and do two. So that was one pass with KickA Cleaner, and it is already looking so much better. We'll go ahead and spray one more coat of KickA, and it should come out perfect. We're going to go ahead and extract all this dirty water and soap out until clear water is the only thing we see coming out of these seats. So as you can see, I just finished shampooing this side right here. I actually feel safe to have my hands on this seat. This side, on the other hand, I do not. Let's go ahead and move the KickA Cleaner. We're going to go ahead and remove this tape and see the difference. You can tell from there that it is completely different. I'm going to go ahead and bring you down a little bit closer so you can really see the difference that KickA makes. I just want to say thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. I was really excited to get to spend some time with you. I hope you're just as excited to get to use KickA and add it to your arsenal. There's a big difference in these seats. It makes a big difference. I'm telling you, you're going to want to get your hands on this. Until next time.